I'm gonna put together my Keene trommel. Put the name of the trommel up here. This speaks for it. Adjust this stuff later. Rough enough. Now adjust that when I get the water going. And I'm going to bounce my phone. Should go in there pretty easy. Right, fitting this. Getting ahead of myself. Right, so just got these to sort out. Got it set up over. Oh. Right, you just lift up the other end of the trommel and it's on. Nice. I'm liking everything about this thing so far. The connection's good. Plastic fittings here, but yeah, maybe I'll add metal extensions onto here just so I'm not wrecking these plastic threads. And the metal extension will just stay there and you're screwing on and off the brass or stainless. Spray bars will be next. That helps to stop the drum walking out as well. Gives a little clearance. That belt was easy. I had trouble figuring that out earlier for some reason. Just having a brain fart. This is going to get really good. As far as it goes. Bucket stand on there. I might raise that bucket stand up a little bit. I'll drop this leg. There's hook the hose system up. Spray bar up. These are just all push fitted for easy uninstallation. Even comes with a little spray handle. These valves to control the flow. Valve, another valve over here. And of course the motor is powered by water. You can see the water turbine there. We'll get a good shot of that firing up. Push that on there. We've got another isolator there. And a little filter. Cool idea. So it's pretty much all done for me. Up to that point there. I'll just go and see what connections I've got lying around. Hey, reckon we'll put some of this dirt in the thing and see if it works. See if we get some gravel. See what else comes out of it. wondering if I could use this for like washing bark and stuff too. This is what I'm going to put through it. Oh, get that out of there. Get on the angle. I forgot to get all the angles sorted, I think. We got the trommel going. Drum is turning. Not sure about the water coming out. That's normal. Maybe that's a bit of it. Maybe that's good. What are we going to do there with it? Come on. I chucked one shovel in there just to see. We've got wash stones coming out. I need to get a bucket to catch these because I've got a purpose for all of these. I want the stones just about as much as I want the gold. Gravel. Bloody expensive. Run this stuff through it and see how it goes. First proper shovel. Now I haven't done any adjustments, I've just put it together. Hook up the water. So I'm probably expecting to have to do quite a few adjustments on the sluice and the trommel. Rain is coming, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to be out here to smooth that out. Stones that are coming out nicely washed. I want to capture all those because I've got a plan for all those. I've stringed all this stuff. Been wanting one of these for ages. It's going great. Washing some rocks, having a beer. Yeah. I was going to make my water pump quieter, and it's good because this thing's making no noise at all. This is great. It's just a noisy old water pump. I tried my electric pumps and they weren't powerful enough. You need enough water pressure. I'm going to figure out exactly what that is. Because if I can do it off a quiet electric pump, I'm just mucking around here doing samples from places. It's a cool little pump. Cool little water turbine. Oh, I didn't even try using this. Keep it nice and clean. Oh, look, the stones building up down here. Oh, my hose foot needs a tighten. Might just be the footing. Fittings come loose. Very good. Don't know how those stones got down there. Oh, maybe something just there. One got through. Maybe sinking a little bit when I've mucked around, filling up. Maybe one got through there. Having any electrics at this end is good. Not having to worry about any danger or anything, electric shock, anything like that. Just the water turbine turning the barrel. Turning the drum there. Mows it down, not worry about it. Everything can just sit out in the rain, except for my petrol pump. I'm taking that in. Well, it's getting dark. Stay. Right, so I've done the whole table load. Starting to get through. Go and do the best, but okay, I'm going to clean up this sluice and see how much got through the first one. See if this one's needed. And I should probably do a couple of pans of this. See if anything's making it through both. Right, got both boxes back. Didn't really want to wash them out there. I can do so much better job at home or in front of the workshop. Got the hose right there, so it'll come in handy. I haven't seen anything in this one. Not too shabby a go. Some nice little bits of gold in there. Not too bad at all.